11th of June 2020. What? That ain't right. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm here with Room Decay Urbex and the Abandoned Prepper. But today we're in an abandoned social club, and up in this area is a gorgeous church. It's absolutely beautiful. Hello guys, we are at a Hoarders House. There is stuff everywhere outside. There's VHS tapes, all sorts. Lee's through there, he's got a wig on, so he's calling himself Exploring with Dorothy. I'll show you some of that now.
It's like hair things in it. I don't like this.
Oh, is that what you look like? Yes. And then we're going to go around this house. There's a lot of stuff, and we've got this as well. We're having a look round.
Here's another Hoover. This one's a Dyson.
Teletubbies in the packaging. 2 of them.
They don't work.
All kinds in here. All kinds. Varnish, sets. Oh, look at that. Newspaper snippets on the wall. A map.
Have you been up for that?
No, not yet. Tins of paint. Storage. I don't know if that's is that a safe? Oh, it's got 2 safes. Both open. Of course. So, we're being told.
You've had a wheel here.
Oh wow! What the hell?
But why would you have?
Has there been a fire up there?
Oh, yeah.
It smells like it. Yeah, there has. Yeah, somebody's tried to.
It's definitely, yeah. There's definitely been. Look at that, guys! Look at how much stuff.
It's literally just all over the floor.
Yeah, there's been quite a bad fire. I'd be careful of the floors, guys. Yeah, there's been quite a bad fire. Why someone set something like this on fire?
Oh, it's a brand new size, isn't it?
I'll never understand that.
What?
Oh yeah, the address is
Why is there like a metal gate on there blocking that side of the house?
It's weird that, isn't it?
That's strange. I'm gonna have a look through here. So I'm going into this side where the bathroom is. This could have been split up into 2 at some point. Projector. James Dean. A shower. Empty, of course, and there's been quite a big fire in here. Photographs everywhere. Medication. There is literally that much stuff. And I remember a couple of years ago, if you have seen some of my earlier videos, guys, the one where I was in a pub in Carlisle, and there was that much stuff on the floor. I went walking and then ended up on the ground floor. So I'm not going to do that again. And there's one top tip I'll always say to people that are starting to do this: if there is a floor full of stuff and you're not sure, don't do it. That's a shame. Creepy doll with a smashed face. That is an old doll. And that one. There's a Teletubby theme in here.
Yeah.
What's that, 4 Teletubbies we've seen now?
I haven't found keys to room today.
A lot. Oh, there's a dog in there. You can see the fire damage, the extent of the fire damage is quite massive. So I think that's the living room. I'm going to go into the kitchen. It's very, very dark in here. It is the darkest place I've ever been. Obviously because of, that's a door. Just interrupted myself. Obviously because it's boarded up and of the fire damage, and it makes everything even darker. Oh, see what I mean? See, that's brand new. That is brand new in the packaging. What a waste. Mirror. Got a lot of stuff. Microwaves just there. Let's have a look in here. Oh! Oh! Oh God! Oh! Oh, boys and girls. I don't know why I do this, but I love opening fridges.
Oh no.
I love it. Because one thing you get out of fridges,
oh my God,
although it is disgusting, is dates.
Yeah.
That's
true.
what I like opening fridges. Now we're going to have a quick look in it. And I don't recommend doing this, guys. 11th of June, 2020.
What?
That ain't right. I'm just going to check a few more dates. 11th of June, 20.
Those eggs don't look old either. 20,
yeah? Why is the cereal in the fridge? That's fresh. 2020, 2nd of the 10th, 20. That's fresh. Someone's put this in here to keep, haven't they? That's, you know what that is? That's long life milk.
I've just found a load of needle heads in there.
Really?
That'll explain the stuff in the fridge.
Look, that's long life milk, fresh. Yogurts, they're not fresh like.
That'll also explain the methadone.
Yeah.
November, they're new. Because we still buy them.
So we found new items
in the fridge
mixed amongst the old stuff.
That's disgusting.
With 2020 dates.
Oh, that's new.
Bizarre to say the least.
2nd of November. That's definitely old. The tomato sauce is
that tomato sauce looks old. It's got dust on it.
yeah. Tins.
Oh, that oxo's definitely well past its date.
What's that? Oh,
Lurpak garlic. I got a horrible strong smell of garlic in one of the
2019.
bedrooms downstairs.
2019.
So that's not that old.
Might have been rubbing it on himself.
Oh, let's check these eggs because they 18th of October. Let's have a look at.
Oh, they look wonderful. Yeah.
Oh, they're nice. Yeah.
Yeah, just look at them. They
Yeah.
look wonderful.
The reason I'm doing this,
Your eggs and bacon.
if you are wondering why you're watching this video and thinking, why the hell have you gone in the fridge? Like I've just said, one reason is to look for dates, to date how long it's been abandoned for, and various other sort of things to see what condition it was in when it was living there, so you can sort of base it on if someone was still living here, how long it's been abandoned in that sense. There's a lot of things you can find from looking in fridges. You've just got to be aware of the smell.
That's what it looks like the fire starter. Oh yeah.
Daren't look in the freezer. We can't really get in the freezer, but that is why I do. And we found new food in there. Weird.
That's weird, isn't it?
So weird. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, there's a bald doll in there. Oh dear. What's that bit?
There is a hairline full box.
Oh, that looks like the front door. Right, so we've just had a look around there, guys. I'm not going to film any details or anything like that, but oh wow, that is so sad. There's a lot of kids' photographs and stuff in here. Stuff on the tables, a lot of clothing. What we've found in the fridge, as you've just seen, is a lot of food, which is quite recent. Some of it's still fresh. And the fire, and we just found a letter that was open on the sideboard about a DVLA driving licence, short-term driving licence, address 2019. What we think, what I especially think, is that this gentleman could have lived here up until recently, 2019, possibly had a fire and been moved out into a home, or we hope not, he might have died here. And the reason why a lot of the old stuff is still here is because he's kept everything as the elderly people, you know, they would do, and so on. You know, you keep a lot of stuff that's important to you. The same names addressed on everything that we found, and it kind of makes sense. What do you think? Leave some comments and let me know what you think could have happened in here. Whoa. How many bedrooms do you think this is? What?
Well, there's one. There's a bathroom in there. I don't know what that means.
Toilet.
Bedroom.
There's a shower in there. There's a shower in the bedroom. Hang on, that's a kitchen, isn't it? Why is there a kitchen down here? There's one upstairs.
That's all. Yeah.
Weird. Hang on. We're gonna make our way out of there. That is weirdly set up, that house. It's sort of like you come out from the bottom side. Hold on. What's that bit there? That's a door, and you can't get in there. So what's in there?
Why would they have a house set up like this though?
I don't know.
Why would there be bars?
Weird. I think it's maybe been split into two houses.
Very.
You know what I mean though, that part of the house, you can't get in.
No.
And then there's all kinds of stuff outside. A pair of trimmers, there's a jacket, mugs. And down here you've got this thing full of VHS. That's the front door. Oh, it's my dream garage.
How many cars would you fit in? 3?
Probably 2. Would equal, well, maybe 3, but
Small one.
equal space, probably 2. A lot of bottles. This has been a nice house.
This is the 70s.
It's a shame it's ended up like this.
There's a lot of these walking frames. There was one in the house.
Yeah. Weird. Big garage this like. Hoover, another one. Weird. Right guys, we're going to leave that one here. Let me know in the comments what you think about the setup of that house and dates in the fridge, etc. It seems a bit strange, but let me know what you think. As always, there is a story. We can only guess. We'll probably never find out, but Vindicate Urbex and the Abandoned Prepper, go and check them out, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.